How to find your EPIC number on voter ID card. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find your EPIC number on your voter ID card. So, if you're filling out a form or checking your voter details but don't know where to find it, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, grab your voter ID card. Your EPIC number is always printed on it, but its location depends on whether you have an old card or a new one. If you have a new voter ID card, look just above your photo on the left side. You'll see a mix of capital letters and numbers. That's your EPIC number. If you're using an older voter ID card, it might be printed above your photo on the right side, or sometimes next to the photo. Again, just look for a code made of letters and numbers. That's your EPIC number. Once you find it, you can use it anytime you're checking your voter list, updating details, or filling out any government form. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to look to find your EPIC number on any voter ID card. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions.